This Eaton BRNSURGE surge protective device installs directly into a Type BR panel, giving whole home protection at the breaker level instead of relying on scattered plug-in strips. By using two branch circuit spaces, it integrates cleanly into the load center and keeps the panel layout organized without awkward external boxes. The unit is engineered to handle surge currents up to 18 kiloamperes, which offers a solid extra layer of defense against voltage spikes from storms or utility issues. Because it is a breaker-style device, electricians familiar with standard Type BR hardware can install it quickly and neatly with minimal additional training. The compact form factor fits comfortably within typical residential panels, so it is a practical upgrade even in tighter electrical enclosures. Backed by Eaton's long experience in power distribution equipment, this device feels robustly built and well-suited for long-term everyday protection of sensitive electronics.